Here I have ULEFONE Power Armor 18 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So firstly you should select preferred language. I'll just stay with English. Tap Start. Then you can connect to the mobile network by inserting SIM card, but you can just skip this step and do this later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also just set up device offline. Then you have to set up date and time. Then you can disable these Google services if you feel like it. Tap accept. Then you can set up screen lock, but you can also do this in settings later and just skip this step for now. Then you have the system navigation. You can select gesture navigation or 3 buttons. I prefer gestures. Tap next. And device is all set up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.